Okay, now we're going to take a look at, we're going to examine the battles of Long Island, Trenton, and Princeton. Okay, the Battle of Long Island in June of 1776, British General William Howe defeated the Americans. Okay, over 1,400 Americans were killed, wounded, and captured. This is right off of Long Island in New York, modern-day New York City. We sit right here. Okay. All right, so this is a kind of a major defeat. George Washington's real major first defeat of the war, and times were tough here. Okay, so George Washington escaped unharmed. Okay, but Nathan Hale was an American spy captured by the British. Hale was tried for treason and sentenced to death. So he says, "I only regret that I have but one life to lose for my country." Okay, the Battle of Trenton. On Christmas night, 1776, General Washington led his troops across the Delaware River in New Jersey. Okay, under the cold, icy river. There's the famous painting that you see. Probably at the time, George Washington probably wasn't standing up on the boat looking this way. He was probably sitting down like everyone else. But you know how we take a look at history through art and things, make George Washington look fabulous as he's crossing the river. But on the next day, on December 26th, the Americans captured over 14 Hessians in Trenton. Hessians were German soldiers hired by the British to fight. Then the Battle of Princeton. As the Americans retreated from Trenton, they defeated the British in Princeton, New Jersey. So now we have some American victories that are going to be changing the tide of the war.